Hey, what's up everyone?
Hey guys, it's nice to see you again and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and this is the first time of you seeing our faces, hi, hello. You, my friend, you look absolutely beautiful today.
So, in today's video, we're bringing you some Halloween content, first one of this year, and essentially,
Yes.
why? Oh, you're laughing.
Because she was like, first one of this year, and I'm like, are we even doing any of those? But we never know.
Probably not. Probably not.
That's why I was laughing, sorry.
This is going to be a bit of a like planned versus last minute. So the planned is where you've literally gone out and like fully put everything into finding an outfit, whereas the, what did I say?
Unplanned.
I guess unplanned if you want to.
Last minute.
That's what I said. Last minute is like things you could probably make from what you already have in your own wardrobe.
Okay, but before we start, guys, look at my makeup.
Oh my god.
And look at my new hair.
She's actually been going on about this.
Look at my hair and my makeup.
Since I went to go get her. Just okay.
Just okay. My friend Molly did it. Shout out to you, best friend. She was like, let me do your makeup. And I was like, okay. And I was like, if
it goes bad,
she did it. If it's good, she did it. So
either way, she did it.
If you like it, you know she's available for bookings. She's available for bookings 24/7.
Hit up her Instagram.
I'll fully link her Instagram for you guys to find her. She even did contour me, you know. I don't even contour.
She doesn't even know what the meaning of contour is.
I don't know what it is. But anyways, let's get into today's video.
So guys, real quick, before I show my first thank you.
You're welcome.
Outfit is.
Don't mind me. I'm just getting changed.
She's just getting changed in the first one in the back. But my first one, the only reason I wanted to quickly jump in here was because I'm gonna have two top ideas.
Two tops. Let me go away.
Please, you get changed. I'm not gonna show the bottoms because then you'll probably figure out what the outfit is. What the costume is. But the two tops that I've got, so one's like a bodysuit and then the other one is like a crop top.
For your first outfit?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're kind of getting like, not a 2-in-1, but it's like two ways for the same costume. But yeah, I just had to insert that real quick. She said, ooh.
Yeah, so basically this is my first outfit. I don't know what my thought process was when I was picking this up. I do really like it. I feel like everyone can see it, so let's just dress the elephant in the room. My boobs are suffocated, yes.
My arms are suffocated.
My arms are very suffocated, but that's fine because there's
gap.
Flowy space.
Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Like as in this bit.
Yeah, I don't think my boobs are supposed to be.
I don't think that bit is.
Look at the little cute bit on the top. So yeah, basically I said let me go with a maid. I kind of like a French maid. This wasn't the type of maid I was thinking of. Oh no, you know what? I can say I'm a waitress. All I need is like a plate.
Yeah, it looks like a medieval times waitress.
Yeah, like all I need is like
if
a
they
plate.
even existed in that time.
But yeah, this is my first outfit. Let me do a little spin. I'm a bit suffocated. Like it fits. Like here's fine. Everything's fine. It's just
a lot going on.
It's just a lot going on. But you know what? Also, before I forget, it comes with this little neck thing where you like tie around the neck like a collar. But for other reasons where I would like to
get money back.
We say get money back, but we'll see how far we get there. I'm not gonna dirty it.
But you get the gist.
Yeah.
And if anything, there's a picture somewhere here that shows it with it, if there exists one. In my head, I had a vision of what you were going to do, and I don't want to ask. I don't want to say.
What was I gonna do?
I don't want to say.
Say it. Say it with your chest. You're a big woman.
I just don't want to.
Cool.
Anyways, my outfit that I went with was essentially Kim Possible.
Call me Big Man if you wanna reach me. If you wanna reach me, it's okay.
With
I'm scared because if this was actually buttoned, it would have gone boom. Anyways.
But as a child, I've always loved Kim Possible, so I thought, why not have her be my first costume idea? And I feel like it's a very easy one to recreate because all you need is some form of green khaki trousers and some sort of black top.
Yeah, I had to think. I was like, hold on. But yeah.
I'm trying to think what she looks like.
No, I had to think like she doesn't wear green, but then I realised she does until like season 4. Then season 4 she wears like this other outfit. I'll probably insert a picture like all purple. That's the best outfit.
The reason why I showed the two top options prior is because not everyone wants to wear a bodysuit and not everyone wants to wear a crop top. So I thought if I've got both, you can kind of see what either or looks like. Personally, I prefer the bodysuit version because her one she wears like I think her one's a long bit.
Like a long sleeve top.
Yeah, her one's a long sleeve top, but I mean like it's a full thing, it's not a crop thing.
No, it's a full thing, yeah.
So I personally prefer the bodysuit because it mirrors more what she looks like. And I also thought you could add like a bum bag to really give the feel.
Oh, if
the
you had
vibe.
like a blue fake phone thing, that could be your communicator.
I mean, I suppose you could just, it's always like accessories that you can buy. But yeah, so this is first outfit vibes.
You know what I'm missing? I'm either missing a feather duster to be like a maid, or like
or a silver plate.
or a plate, because it could go either way. Anyways, very quickly, did anyone ever grow up like anime? Let's put it like that. Did you ever like watch anime, right? But then like I watched the girly type, so like
never really
Tokyo
watched
Mew
anime.
Mew and like all those extra bits. Obviously, like I'm a bit of a fake anime fan because I haven't watched Sailor Moon, but I'll get to that. I will get to it. But anyways, these are like when they're not in there like fighting all of that and their day-to-day life. So basically, like with Mew Mew Power, Tokyo Mew Mew, whichever version you've watched, they wear like this similar outfit in the cafe and they're waitressing, and that's what I feel like. I'm actually just like the pictures will be inserted, but that's what I feel like. I just wanted to like let you know.
Also, I just wanted to point out, because I don't know if you can see it, I am wearing ripped, oh my god, what do you call trousers? And I know she wears like cargo style, but I don't own that, so this was the next best thing. Why are you caressing my knee? Ow. But yeah, it is rips on both knees.
We're gonna go to our next outfit now. We just thought, you know, we should show you what we look like.
Ooh.
I can't believe.
The worst thing is that didn't even hurt. It was just the noise.
I was gonna say I can't even go like that because my arm's stuck.
And then you just didn't push it.
But anyways,
I didn't realise I was that close to it. But anyways,
yeah.
really quick, this is the, clearly as you see it's the same costume, just the other top. This one is sort of like copies her outfit in the sense of it's a long sleeve, it's off the shoulder and cropped. So it's kind of each to their own and what you feel more comfortable in. If you feel more comfortable in a cropped to long sleeve.
Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Sorry, I'm trying to change into my other outfit and I got stuck. I'm sorry.
Or a full top, I mean like full length top but arms out kind of thing. But yeah, this is the other way that you could recreate this outfit, which I'm pretty sure everyone's got.
I was supposed to take this off, now I have to take the whole thing off again. Sorry.
Anyways, moving on. This is the other way that you can kind of redo Kim Possible if you'd like to be her for Halloween. The worst is we're actually doing these outfits and we're probably not dressing up for Halloween per se.
I don't know.
At least I'm not.
I don't know.
I'll probably be
I
dressing up.
have an idea. I'll
be
tell you guys
dressing
at
up
the end.
myself.
I need help.
But anyways, I'm going to go now to change into my other costume. But yeah, you get the gist. And again, it's still the same trousers, just different top. Now, I know what you're thinking. No, I am not dressed to be a mouse. Or Mickey. Or Minnie. We're going to ignore the red that's on these. And we're going to pretend that this is like pointy, not round. Because, I don't know if you can guess, but what I'm potentially going with this is like Catwoman, cat vibes kind of thing. Because all you really need is just a plain black jumpsuit. Now, the one I've got is, what do you call this? Short sleeve. But you can also get, you know, the PLT ones, the cat suits with the zip. You could just get the black version of that. And it's obviously like long sleeve and whatnot. And I think it probably does a better job at looking like a Catwoman. But this is what I had to work with. And I'm not going to pair it with it at the moment. But also black, chunky, slightly higher than an ankle boots. I feel like this paired along with this just works. But I'm going to take these ears off because it's kind of hurting behind my ears. But yeah, this is essentially my second and final costume.
Okay, I got a good line. I got a good line. You guys ready? Hold on. Well, I am gonna write you a ticket because fine is written all over you. You see what I did there?
You can see what costume she's in, eh?
Let me not move too much because this is riding. This is really riding. Anyways, I'm a policewoman because
If you couldn't tell already.
yeah, you know, you got the hat,
Catchphrase.
you got a little badge here. You know, I'm official. I'm official. I got some handcuffs as well.
Do they even work?
Yeah, they work.
Oh, okay.
They work. I think.
I don't want to try them on.
Anyways,
to be honest.
this is my outfit, you know. It comes with the little belt, it comes with the handcuffs, it comes with the hat. Obviously, I'm not going to put the hat on because I'm still trying to return it. Anyways, but this is my outfit. I was going to do a 360 for you. Wait, wait. Let me see if I can do 360 for you. Hold on.
There we go.
Okay, that's as much as you get.
I just realised you've done a 360 in both of yours. I did not.
Well,
you got the front and that's about it.
That's everyone just wants to see that, you know. I'm not even gonna lie, but you know, it comes with this. It came with keys and the holding bit for the keys. I literally just broke it. So if you own this company and you saw me break it, I am so sorry, but you're still getting it back.
I don't want it.
I don't want it. I was really just testing out the outfits. You one thing I like about it, and you know what you see. Wait. Do you see my chest? Don't look at my chest, but like look at my chest.
Sure.
But anyways, you know, we're gonna be stuck.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Slipped out of it.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad
It's a great thing at the moment because if that thing broke on me, that wouldn't be fun.
Wait, let me see. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Imagine
I'm gonna
if
handcuff
actually
you
couldn't.
tonight. Ooh. I'm gonna use that one day. I feel like I'm gonna buy this outfit again for research purposes. I'm gonna buy this again for research purposes.
You know, do a quiz and a survey.
If you know, you know, innit? But
Wink, wink.
yeah, this is our outfit. You know, there's not much I can say. It's really. It's giving what it should be giving.
Especially like this one, there's not really much.
The hat. Ooh, no, the hat does fit. I was about to say the hat doesn't fit. Who wants to be arrested by me today? Ooh.
Oh my God, please.
I thought I broke it. My heart was going pitter patter just then. Wait. Okay. No, because I'm trying to return. I'm trying to get my money back. Anyways, maybe I might keep it.
She's not going to keep it.
No, but this one I might. You know. Do you not see how it's sucking and slicking in every single area?
Okay.
Maybe. But yeah, this is my outfit.
Oh my God, we're both in a black outfit. Just realised.
I was gonna do something else, but then that's gonna. So I'm not gonna do it anyways. This outfit. Now that brings us to the end of this week's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed and send some love to her. Just don't forget,
Please stop the accent, I can't.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to, but if you don't yet, I'm gonna go shot on your grave. But
You can't say that as a police officer.
I'm corrupt. Have you not watched Lufo or anything like that? I'm not a corrupt police officer. There's a lot of them, but anyways, that's a conversation for another day.
Now's not the time to talk about corrupt police officers.
That's a conversation for another day.
But anyways, we've reached the end and shown you 2 very planned out outfits and 2 very thrown together outfits.
Yeah, sorry, I kind of choked.
Over to you.
No.
Oh, I can hear you swallow.
Why are you listening to me?
No, because it's silent and it's all I hear is
What am I supposed to do? Go.
Not do that. Just swallow.
Okay, but how do you expect me to drink water? Okay, I'm sorry, hold on, let's try this again.
No, all I'm gonna flipping hear is ook.
Is that better? Is that what you want? Because I don't know, normal human beings
Just don't drink it in the video.
Well, no, you know what? It's my video. It's our video. But like, I can drink if I want to. Like Drake said, it's my birthday. I can get high if I want to.
But it's not your birthday.
It is my birthday, anyways.
Your birthday is in May.
It's almost my half birthday, so how? Anyways.
We're in my half birthday month.
Oh, we just passed it. It was yesterday. Everyone wish a happy half birthday. When we say yesterday,
The 12th.
the 12th, but today's the 13th. But anyways.
Let us know which outfit you liked.
Did you want the planned version? Give a little sassiness and little modesty, or you want the DIY version?
Modesty.
You want the DIY version where you actually put plan the outfits and put them together, rather than me just like
Buying it.
Guys, let me tell you what my Valentine's.
We're not even in February.
Where did Valentine's come from? I ain't even got one anyway. Where did that come from? And I'm gonna say. Sometimes with such confidence.
I don't even know what you said there.
Guys.
Anyway.
Okay, let me tell you guys what my Halloween outfit is. You guys ready?
Me.
No, that's you. It's my bed.
She's wearing her bed.
I'm wearing my bed. And you know what else I'm wearing? My duvet covers.
And her pyjamas, which aren't really pyjamas, but we won't speak on that.
That's what I'm wearing for Halloween because I don't dress up. This is as much as you're going to get from me.
Yeah, there's a reason why I was the unplanned outfits, because I just don't do the dressing up thing.
Oh, do you know how many outfits I kind of went through to get to this point? A lot.
It was a
there was one
a roller coaster.
There was one that was actually my favourite, but then I couldn't wear it because not only is it probably a bit too much for the YouTube channel, it didn't go over my shoulders and it didn't go past my backside, so it just didn't want to.
And really, just because
Depressing.
it just came to me, right? I was thinking, realistically, another technically unplanned
outfit.
costume could literally be a bunny rabbit because you just need a black bodysuit.
That was the outfit. I'm gonna show the picture. Yeah, and it had the little scrunchy bit, and it had the little ears.
The tail.
Yeah, I was so depressed. Not depressed. No, I was so devastated. That's the word. I was so devastated.
But yeah, I was just literally thinking now.
Sorry, while she's talking. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I just wanted my handcuffs.
But yeah, I was gonna say realistically, you can, as long as you've got like a black bodysuit, that's moderately covered, or you know, up to you, however you want to be.
You can do modesty or
not. But technically, that is one you probably can create on your own. Much as I could do that, I am not putting it on the internet. So yeah, but yeah, all you have to do is really buy accessories and done.
Yeah. Wait, I'm not gonna lock you in. I promise you, I'm not gonna lock you in. I promise you, I'm not
She
gonna.
says locking me in.
Okay. Oh, the worst part is you can really just slide your hand out. Haha. We're stuck together. Together forever.
I'm scared it's gonna break.
Pink, pink, pink. Girls, girls, girls. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Torso together.
No, you.
Oh, sorry. Together. With Linda and Hannah. Best friends. Ew. No, I'm not your best friend. I don't like calling you that. That's weird.
So ghetto. Oh, that's how you open it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. Anyways, just make sure you like and subscribe. You know, we really appreciate it.
Make sure to turn on post notifications so you do know when we next upload.
And you, our very famous friend, who you are famous in our eyes. I'm beginning.
I didn't know where you were going with that.
I didn't know where I was going with that. I kind of just rolled with it. You know the drill by now. You guys should just follow our social medias, which would be, and can you believe I forgot to do this a few videos back? I forgot to do this bit.
Do you know what I clocked on that?
I clocked up on that. It annoyed my soul. Anyways, it will be linked here on the screen, or it will be linked down below. I really. It's a part of me now.
She's missed doing that.
I did. But you know what? You guys can tell us what videos you want to see. If you want to see any. If you don't, then don't come back. But we'd appreciate if you came back.
Please come back.
Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Which we still don't know what it is, but bye.
Oh, we actually don't, you know what?
Well, we have ideas, we just don't know for definite.
Anyways, we love you guys. Just remember, I'm gonna cough you tonight because, oh no, that's really bad.
10 out of 10.
Is it coughing season? Because I'm gonna cough you. Ooh.
You could have said is it coughing season because you're about to get cuffed.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Anyways, bye.
See ya.